So here are the dumpers. They get fed. Here are the controls, the PLCs that run them. They're in here. Alan Bradley. So here's what happens. The biomass gets put over here. This dumper is turned over. The bin is stuck right in here and it dumps out onto this belt. The belt brings the material up. These guys here help separate the biomass. And this whole table here is vibrating, and when the biomass comes onto here, and boom, 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 and over here, boom, 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 it gets separated. Employees stand here, and over there by the railing, and by the railing here. They reach over here when they see something that is either too large or not supposed to be in the line, and they grab it and they cut it. The material falls off onto this belt here, boom, boom, and goes down there. Down here, it drops into the chute and into that belt where it goes up, goes into that hopper there. That hopper there is what we call the trimmer. And the trimmer has liquid nitrogen shooting into it, and it's also shaking. Boom, 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 boom. So when the material comes through here, this whole table is going. It rolls on these. Boom, 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 boom. And it trims itself because the outer leaves are so crispy. They trim. Comes over to here. I'm thinking of putting a suction cup right here, a suction here, so that little trimmed leaves can get sucked down into here. The material falls onto this belt. The belt is moving constantly. And chamber after chamber after chamber of liquid nitrogen is spraying down on the product, freezing it. And it finally falls down here, boom, goes up here into this hopper. And this hopper here, it loads up and falls into a bin there and a bin there. A person standing here can shut the hopper off right there, or on the other side over there, right here. The forklift drivers then take the frozen material when this fills up, and they pick it up and they take it outside. This is an automated door. It goes up and down really fast. Not that one, but the one on the other side. A liquid nitrogen tank there. And they take the material around over here to the freezers. Over here. And that's the ammonia towers, where the ammonia that's taking the heat out of the freezer is then brought back with a compressor to pressure in here. Ammonia, big VFD that runs that big ammonia pump, and our freezers are right in here, and it's all locked. So that is the way it goes. And all of those bins off in the distance there, brand new bins, and brand new bins that say Aroma Hemp on them, that's what the material gets stored in the freezer. Approximately 600 pounds of wet material that's frozen per bin. My freezers can store 10,000 bins per room, and I have 3 freezer rooms. So that's that. And there's Nathan. Nathan is my refrigeration tech from heaven. He was sent here by the gods. Weren't you, Nathan?
I was.
Okay, and that's that. As you can see, we're not using anywhere near how much space we have in this facility, but we're ready to receive material ASAP.